First at 5, some healthcare workers at Ascension St. John say they are looking for new jobs after they say they tried to opt out of being required to get a COVID-19 vaccine, but were not allowed to do so. Thank you for joining us this evening. I'm Brian Dorman.
And I'm Lori Fulbright. So in July, Ascension said it would require all of its employees to get a vaccine by November or people would lose their jobs. News on 6's Kristen Weaver is live with what some of those employees are now saying. Kristen?
Well, Lori and Brian, many nurses and healthcare workers contacted me saying that their exemption requests were denied and they feel like they have no choice but to leave.
I love helping people. I'm very much a people advocate.
That's why Rachel Parker went into nursing about 30 years ago. She was an ICU nurse for several years and most recently the stroke coordinator at Ascension St. John.
COVID is bad. I've been a COVID patient myself.
Ascension told all employees they must be fully vaccinated by November 12th. Parker says she's had 2 terrible reactions to vaccines in the past, including kidney failure, so she requested a medical exemption.
I have health issues that in my case really make me question taking this vaccine. I'm not negating it for anybody else.
But Parker says it was denied, so she had no option but to quit.
I've had a lot of Ascension employees reach out to me.
Jeremy Strang says he's also worked in healthcare for 30 years and helped many people request faith-based exemptions for the vaccine.
Because I've done faith-based exemptions for 15 years against the flu vaccination.
But several St. John nurses tell me their religious requests were denied, and the company's response was they would cause undue hardship to the organization and increased risk. These nurses tell me it's a slap in the face after a year and a half on the front lines and say patients are the ones that will truly suffer.
This vaccine is never going to be a one-size-fits-all.
I have not yet heard back from Ascension St. John for a response. Now, Oklahoma's Attorney General said today that there is no rule currently in place that requires employers to mandate the vaccine. He says if a federal rule does go into place, his office will request an injunction. Live in Tulsa, Kristen Weaver, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.